So we obviously talk a lot about mushrooms on this channel, how mushrooms are changing the world, how mushrooms are benefiting mental health, how mushrooms are going to change everything, but you forget that you can just eat mushrooms and they're good and they're tasty. And if you've been to the grocery store lately, you might have noticed that there's all sorts of mushroom jerkies popping up. So we thought it'd be fun to try and make our own mushroom jerky. Apparently the best way to do it is to start with dried mushrooms. We have a bunch of dried mushrooms already, and then what we're going to do is we're going to taste test them all and see what mushroom made the best mushroom jerky. Let's go. There's two reasons why mushrooms are such a good candidate for jerky. Number one is umami, which can be thought of as the fifth taste after bitter, sweet, sour, and salty. It satisfies that savory craving and is one of the characteristics of cooked meats. Mushrooms, especially shiitake, have umami. Number two is texture. Mushrooms, depending on the species and how they are cooked, can have a very meaty texture that's perfect for jerky. Plus, they soak up flavor like a sponge.
Let's go, we got mushrooms to buy. Chop chop, no delays. Hey, what are you doing? Mine right away.
You have arrived.
Oh, we're not too far.
Oh, I see him.
You see them?
Yeah, I see the sign up there.
Snow fungus.
I don't think that would make a good jerky.
No, it would not. Perfect. Sliced shiitake. All the prep work's done, you just have to marinate it. I think there's another aisle somewhere.
Oh, what I found for you.
Oh, you didn't even have to stand on the shelf.
Lion's mane. Apparently, this makes the best jerky, so we're gonna give it a shot.
We got our mushrooms.
So this is the competition?
This is the competition.
Could be pretty good.
It smells good. Oh, here's a nice one.
Okay. Oh, that literally just looks like a sliced mushroom.
Yeah.
Did I just slice them and marinate them and dry them out?
I think so.
Okay.
Another perfect little mushroom.
Mmm.
Looks like a little mustache. A mush stash.
Let's talk briefly about the economics of mushroom jerky. Why is it so expensive? You always get a tiny little bag and it is pricey. That's because of the fact that mushrooms are mostly water. It depends on the mushroom, but many of them are up to 90% water. So if you're starting with a pound of fresh mushrooms, after dehydrating them, you'll end up with just under 2 ounces. Combine that with the fact that it requires a lot more processing, like cutting, marinating, dehydrating. You end up with a tasty, but a pricey snack.
So we got quite a few types of mushrooms that we're going to use to make mushroom jerky. So I'll show you what we got. Sliced shiitake mushrooms, lion's mane mushroom, king oyster mushrooms. Usually you can find these sliced. We just didn't find them today where we are. We have some maitake here. So we have all these loose bits at the bottom of the bag.
What's your general process though here? You're gonna chop them all up?
And then we're gonna heat some oil, get the dried mushrooms soaking in a little bit of oil. And then we're gonna make our marinade, get the marinade on them, and then saute them, and then dehydrate them. Shiitake, king, lion, maitake. We're gonna get a little bit of oil, any kind of neutral oil.
What do you think is gonna be the best?
I don't know. So we're gonna put a little coconut oil on all of the dried mushrooms. What the oil is gonna do is it's gonna start softening up these dehydrated mushrooms, getting them ready for absorbing our marinade.
One of the most important parts of a successful mushroom jerky is the marinade. This is the secret sauce that the dried mushrooms are going to soak up, imparting all sorts of savory flavor into the final product. Here is a recipe that we used. Feel free to screenshot this. It's also in the description if you want to copy it, but there's all sorts of different ways you can do this. So if you're trying to make your own, feel free to play around and try different flavors.
Oh, that's nice. The lime is nice in there. Let's marinate our mushrooms. Now the trick is gonna be getting it spread out so we have the same flavor on all of them and I don't run out of sauce. And these ones, the shiitake is looking good too. Ooh. The remaining sauce I'm gonna put on lion's mane because they definitely use the most marinade. which makes me think these ones are gonna be the best because they sucked up the most oil and they're sucking up the most marinade. They already feel really soft. And then we're gonna put a little water in and saute them down. We're gonna get these to a boil and we're just gonna let them cook and reduce down until the water is almost gone. The mushrooms are looking really good. All the water's boiled off. There's the flavor concentrating again really nicely. Smells delicious. So these mushrooms and all the other ones are ready for the dehydrator. You're gonna wanna dehydrate until you get that consistency you're looking for. Some people like them a little drier, crispier. Some people like them while they're still a little tender and chewy. So watch them as they dehydrate and take them out when you think you will like them.
After braving the winter roads, scouring the grocery stores, pouring our heart, our soul, and lots of coconut oil into our creations,
Hey, look at those.
we were about to find out if we cracked the code on mushroom jerky
Feel hearty, meaty.
or just wasted our time. Even Nova was nervous. Let's try this one first. This is shiitake.
Shiitake, okay.
That one, it looks very much like jerky.
Ones we originally soaked with hot oil, so all the dry mushrooms, just to get them absorbing some oil, but it does leave them really greasy. Although, drooling, the oil does help to give it a nice mouthfeel. They stay nice and flexible, tender, so. Oily
That's like
mouthfeel.
so good, actually.
You can feel it right when you bite down on it. Gives you that really satisfying.
Here, let's try lion's mane. Look at that.
Ooh.
So this one, when you tear it, it's got that it's got those fibers. Let's see if we can get that on camera.
Yeah, they almost look like muscle fibers.
Yeah, they are awesome. Oh, this one's a
unreal.
little drier. It's a little less greasy for some reason. Oh, wow. Yeah,
This one's better than the shiitake.
it's a little bit crispy,
And the little, what do you call the pokes that grow in lion's mane?
like the spines.
Oh, the spines, there we go. That's the right word. Spines get a little crispy, and then the middle stays pretty soft and meaty.
This looks like almost like a chunk of jerky.
It'd be more like jerky nuggets. So the flavor really got to the middle of all the mushroom. Wow.
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 Business idea. If nobody's making lion's mane jerky,
You should be.
somebody should go make that. Let's try the king oyster.
Yep.
Literally just looks like, I don't know, a big slab of bacon or something.
This to me is, chewing wise, is a little more jerky-like because you have that bit of chew.
It's still really good though, but it's like so greasy. Now this one has like a completely different texture from all the other ones. It feels like almost like bacon bits or something.
Yeah, it feels harder.
It's like crunchy. Holy moly, totally different than all the other ones.
Like you bite down, almost little tiny micro crackles. That's weird to explain.
I don't know what you would compare that to, but you know what the other major difference is? All the other mushrooms kind of have a similar taste. This one just tastes like Maitake too. Like the Maitake flavor comes through a lot more. Okay, so we tried the shiitake, we tried the lion's mane, we tried the Maitake, we tried the king oyster. On the count of 3, you gotta let me know what was your favorite, okay? 1, 2, 3,
Lion's mane.
Ah! Otis agrees.
Otis agrees. Wow, the lion's mane is super impressive. And the fact that it would also have a lot of benefit too.
Yeah, that's the thing. Lion's mane, unbelievably, is my favorite mushroom to put in my coffee. It's my favorite mushroom to eat. It's my favorite mushroom to grow. And now, it's my favorite
Mushroom jerky.
for jerky. I had no idea. It's funny because when you look at all the jerkies on the market, I've seen jerkies made from shiitake. I've seen jerkies made from portobello, but I've never actually seen one made from lion's mane. And it is so flipping good. It's unbelievable. Like, look at that. Look at that. Those fibers. It absorbs the flavor super well. It's crunchy, but also kind of chewy. Really, really, really good.
Really good.
Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next
All right.
one.